Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel and like the video. Coming up on Kabeja on Monday, not fury like a woman scorned. Lulama calls the cops on Vuyokazi for keeping her against her will. Ntando and Sivuyile confront Msimelelo and Zimkita. Simkita buys wedding rings. She is ready to move to the next level with Msimelelo on Tuesday. Case of the ex. Lulama continues to chase high despite the deadly consequences. Msimelelo wants freedom from his family. On Wednesday, sit on your hands. Hlumelo finally gets to play his ace, forcing Vuyokazi to sit on her hands. Funeka is certain that Msimelelo has been bewitched. On Thursday, house arrest. Vuyokazi finds a new way of dealing with Lulama. Msimelelo realized that life will look different from what he thought. Funeka manages to find peace in her turmoil. On Friday, moving on up. Lulama outsmarts Vuyokazi but lands Stoki in trouble. Msimelelo starts to see the cost of being with Zimkita. Thank you for watching.